Hi friends, my name is Miss Lourdes and today I'm going to show you how to cook some flan. First, we're going to start with the ingredients. They are 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 package of softened cream cheese, 5 eggs, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and we're going to use 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. To make our caramel, we're going to heat our pan over a medium heat and add our sugar in very thin layers. Once your sugar is melted and it's a beautiful brown color, you can remove from the heat. Now that we have the bottom of our pan caramelized, we're going to set this aside and mix the rest of our ingredients. Let's mix our ingredients. We're going to add our cream cheese, our condensed milk. Feels like this one is a bit cold. Let's grab a spoon. Our evaporated milk. Let's crack 5 eggs. You can save your shells to add to your compost. Don't forget that. And let's add at the very last our 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna blend this really well. After we've blended all of our ingredients, we are going to pour it on top of the caramel. We're going to place the container in a sheet pan and add water halfway before we put in the oven for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, we're going to take our flan out of the oven, and with a fork, we're going to test if it's ready or not by poking. If it's clean, it should be good to go. Now that we're sure that our flan is ready, we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour or overnight. Once your flan is chilled, it should be ready to serve. I prefer mine with fruit, especially berries, and I know whipped cream is also a great topping. I hope you enjoy this recipe and do let us know if you try it out. See you next time!